alphabet A to Z. Learning letters is fun, you'll see. A to Z, come and play. We will learn in a happy way. A is for apple, ant, airplane. B is for ball, banana, book. C is for cat, car, cake. Apple, ant, airplane. Ball, banana, book. Cat, car, cake. D is for dog, duck, drum. E is for egg, elephant, eye. F is for fish, fan, flower. Dog, duck, drum. Egg, elephant, eye. Fish, fan, flower. G is for goat, grapes, gift. H is for hat, house, hen. I is for ice cream, igloo, insect. Goat, grapes, gift, hat, house, hen. Ice cream, igloo, insect. J is for juice, jam, jet. K is for kite, kangaroo, key. L is for lion, leaf, lamp. Juice, jam, jet, kite, kangaroo, key, lion, leaf, lamp. M is for monkey, milk, moon. N is for nest, net, nose. O is for orange, owl, octopus. Monkey, milk, moon, nest, net, nose. Orange, owl, octopus. P is for pig, pen, pizza. Q is for queen, quilt, quail. R is for rabbit, rice, ring. Pig, pen, pizza. Queen, quilt, quail, rabbit, rice, ring. S is for sun, star, snake. T is for tree, train, table. U is for umbrella, unicorn, up. Sun, star, snake, tree, train, table, umbrella, unicorn, up. V is for van, violin, vet. W is for water, watch, whale. X is for x-ray, xylophone, Xerox. Y is for yellow, yarn, yak. Z is for zebra, zoo, zero. Van, violin, vet, water, watch, whale. X-ray, xylophone, Xerox. Yellow, yarn, yak. Zebra, zoo, zero. Now I know my alphabet. Best song you will not forget. Clap and sing the whole day through. Learning is fun for me and you. Wow, amazing! You learned today. Learning and smiling all the way. Every lesson fun to explore. See you next time, there's so much more. Keep on practicing every day. You're getting better in every way. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Bring your friends, let's learn!